Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 is updated and has the app that reads or writes NFC tags. Enable background app refresh so the app can detect tags while running. Open the wallet or the specific NFC app you'll use because some actions require an app frontmost. Once done, hold the top edge of your phone near the NFC tag. About 1 to 2 inches works, because the reader coil sits near the top. Make sure nothing metallic is between phone and tag to avoid interference. You'll read a tag by keeping the top edge close until the phone vibrates or shows content. That quick feedback means the NFC handshake succeeded. To write, pick the appropriate action in your app, URL, contact, or automation. Enter the data, then tap write and hold the phone steadily over the tag. Use Nfc encoding so other devices can interpret the tag. Once complete, the app should confirm success. If it doesn't, retry and ensure the tag isn't locked or write protected before continuing. You can link NFC tags to shortcuts automations. Create a new automation, choose NFC as the trigger, scan the tag, then add actions like turning on Wi-Fi or launching an app. Test the flow immediately so you see where it might break. If detection is intermittent, try slightly different hold positions and remove any cases with metal or magnets. If things still fail, make sure the app has NFC permission, restart your iPhone, and reformat or replace the tag. That single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.